The working boys home. We really shouldn't have eaten breakfast because there's some really yummy looking stuff here.
Yeah, gonna have to watch where we're walking now.
Yum, how good do these look? Yum, 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 yum. This morning we've come out to the Museum of Geraldton. We didn't get to do this last time we were here because it was shut due to COVID. Pretty sure it's just a free museum as well, so we thought why not? Just go have a look around. We have unintentionally timed this perfect because they've got a tour of the shipwreck area happening at 11:30 and it's a couple minutes too.
This would take a iron Euro this side. Australia is over here.
So the little tour that we got to join when we got here was actually really interesting. They told you all about a few of the shipwrecks which happened off the coastline here. There's a heap of silver that they found in this room, which was pretty cool, like old coins and stuff. And there's also this big stone arch. So they found all these stones at the bottom of the ocean from a shipwreck, and they've recreated, well, not recreated it, they've put it all back together, and it's all in here, all the original stuff.
They used to have giant sea scorpions, which were like the first animals to go from the sea to the land. And these things used to grow up to like 2 meters. That's unreal.
Pretty freaky. Turn the light on.
That's freaky as.
Please do not pat me, I might go bold. Story of Bryce's life.
I was waiting for that. Check out this one. That there's an oyster. Imagine cracking that one open and trying to get that down the throat in one go. Yeah, nightmare.
Or a Kilpatrick, put that under the grill.
Yeah, you just have to cook it in like a Weber to get enough heat into the oyster.
Little bit of story time. When we were at Dongara the other day, we were fishing off the marina and we actually had a sea lion swimming along and popped its head up, had a look at us, checked us out. I was gonna chuck him a bit of bait, but I wasn't quick enough. And he looked just like that. We are now just down by the water's front. It's a super nice day. It's probably about 25, 26 degrees, so we're just gonna have some lunch down here. We pre-made some wraps and I made a bit of a cake yesterday, so we've got some of that as well.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So we were just getting ready to have some lunch down the beach here and had a guy come up and offer me a job. I've got a couple of weeks work, so we're just tossing up the pros and cons.
We've already got a couple things booked in up the coast, so we're not sure whether to can them plans and stay here for a bit. And then also weighing up what I'm gonna do during the day. So it's probably only gonna be 10 or 14 days of work or something. But yeah, not really sure if we're gonna be pumping out the videos every week for the next couple. So I'm just in the car outside the hospital waiting for Bryce because he is in there peeing in a cup. He's doing a drug and alcohol test for his new job that he'll be starting on Friday, which is a couple days away. And he needs to do a drug and alcohol test, so fun times. He just texted me before saying, I hope I don't get stage fright. So when he comes back in, we'll ask him how he went. How did your wee-wee go?
Yep, filled up the cup nice and good.
Did you?
It's nice light colour, so I'm nice and hydrated, so all good to go.
Lovely. So Bryce is officially starting work in the morning.
Yep, back to work tomorrow. Got me sandwich meat ready to go. Yeah, get picked up here at the park at 6:45 and see what the day brings. So I have only committed to 2 weeks work, and yeah, the guy offered me something I couldn't refuse, so we're locked it in. We're staying around for another 2 weeks. And then we're actually heading back to Perth. So if you've got any idea why we're heading back to Perth, let us know in the comments, because yeah, it's a bit of a secret.
Haven't been up this early in a while. That's sunrise.
And I'm off to work.
What am I gonna do?
I don't know. Find something to keep busy.
Bye. It's about 11 AM and it hasn't been too hard to keep myself busy so far. Done a bit of a workout, went for a walk, went to the shops, popped into Kmart and got some things that I probably didn't even need, but anyway, they were cheap, so I got them. And now I'm gonna make a carrot cake. So the carrot cake recipe I'm going to use is one of Bryce's Nana's recipes. So hope she doesn't mind if we share it with all of you. I will put the details in the description box below the video. It's pretty yummy, so I would recommend giving it a go. I'm also going to take it to the camp kitchen and cook it in the big oven over there because we don't actually have one in the caravan. I'd usually just use the YECOO, but today I might as well go to the camp kitchen and use their facilities. Now don't tell Bryce, but it actually says 2 cups of sugar and I put in maybe 3 tablespoons instead. He never even realizes. Yum, how good do these look? They've come up really good and they're actually quite big. You can do a cream cheese icing for them, which probably tastes the best, but I haven't got any cream cheese. I'm just going to do some icing sugar and soy milk and some butter and do a little bit of my own mixture up. The working boy's home. Wow, you must have done something right. You got a ute.
Yeah, that can't be doing too bad.
Did you make any friends? Were the kids nice?
Yeah, everyone was good.
Oh, that's good.
Well, she's a bit windy today, but
Classic Geraldine.
we're out and about, and first stop is the Sunday markets. So we're going to go have a look around, see if they've got any good specials or deals or anything good at all.
Hopefully some fruit and veg because we're pretty desperate for a food job. We really shouldn't have eaten breakfast because there's some really yummy looking stuff here. Well, we managed to get a few veggies. We've got onions, carrots, cabbage, cucumber.
I think that's about it. Some spring onions, good to go.
We tend to find buying fruit and veg from markets is so much more fresher and it actually works out heaps cheaper than Coles and Woolies. It also lasts so much longer in your fridge.
Oh, I even got a love heart as well. Love heart, just for me. I think the girl that took Chelsea's order was hitting on her.
So we're having a little bit of a random explore day and we've come to Devlin Pool. We don't really know what it is. We're still trying to figure it out. It's got a couple of walking trails. It says like bike tracks and stuff. It just looks like a big lake or river at the moment.
Yeah, so we're just having a look at a few spots. There's like a spring down the road a bit further.
Amazing.
Hope you got your hiking boots ready to go, honey.
Not quite. Not quite. Woohoo! It's a bit chilly up here.
That breeze today is icy cold.
It's funny, the sun is really warm, but as soon as you get into shade and with a bit of a breeze around, it just goes to ice.
Yeah, it's actually chilly. I've got a flanny on and everything.
It's a shame we can't put the drone up because how windy it is, so. Well, we probably would, but I'll freak out too much, so. Good thing I went for a walk in my flip-flops.
Yeah, just come across a little snake. Check him down here. Don't know what type he is, but
He's got black spots. He's like grey with black spots.
he's just warming himself up in the sun. Sorry, mate, we'll be on our way.
Yeah, just about
Don't
stepped
mind
on him too. Ooh. We've seen heaps of little snakes around.
Yeah, gonna have to watch where we're walking now. So about 20 k's south of Geraldton, there's a wildlife park, and we've come out here to have a bit of a look. I think it's about $15 an adult, and yeah, from the reviews, it seems to be the biggest and like more animal friendly of the wildlife parks around the place. So it should be really good. Yeah, they weren't afraid of people, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, they got a nasty bite on them.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't bite me.
No, they're our pets. So.
So at the front you can buy bags of food too, so they're like $2 and you can actually, they give you a list of animals that you can go around and feed, and this guy spots the package straight away. Hey fellas, what's going on? Not a fan, are you, Chelsea?
They're nasty creatures.
No, they're alright, they're just coming to say good day. Hello mister. What's wrong, Chelsea?
I just said I don't like feeding animals. Oh my god.
Oh, hello mate. Hello big boy.
He's going to bite my hand off.
No, he's not. Look at him. They just want to feed.
I'll film you doing it. Oh
What?
my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch because that's too scary.
Just go like this. Look. Look, that easy.
I'm a bit jumpy.
Chelsea's a bit on edge. Yeah. Ah, easy.
Easy now, fuzzy little man peach. Oh my goodness.
They know what they want because they just jump at you to get it. Chelsea's going to have a crack at feeding.
Which one's the nicest?
That one up on the thing. He's so polite. Keep your hand flat.
No, he's going to bite my finger.
No, he's
off.
not. Keep your hand flat and then
Like
go.
that?
Yep, and then go low, down low, and then up to him.
We haven't got food.
I don't like it.
He doesn't know how you're going to do it.
Oh,
Yeah, I want to feed you, mate. Let's go. Here, I'll just put it on the ground there for you. There you go. Oh, here, I'll flick them in.
But look how tiny his head is compared to the rest of his body.
Probably find his body's actually really little too. It's just he fluffs up because he's got feathers. Hello, mister. Alright, not giving it all to you.
No way.
Your turn
They
to
look
feed
like
the
they got
ostrich.
lipstick on. They look like this.
Your turn to feed the ostrich.
No way, no.
Why not?
No, I'm not. I'm seriously not.
Alright, Mr. Ostrich. Ostrich, got some food?
What the?
Oh, actually,
Ew.
we're not meant to feed the ostrich anyway.
Ostrich isn't on the list.
No, can't feed the ostriches.
You take
Gotta
your
check the
hand
list. Showing off, aren't you? Look at you. Showing off to the camera. Well, you want some action too, do you? Chelsea, are you afraid? Hey, fella. Oh, you keep it down. Excuse me, sir. I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Oh dear, there's a deer.
You're an idiot.
Didn't come out as good as I was hoping.
These are by far the cutest kangaroos. Oh, I know. Your tummy would be very full. You've already eaten lots.
Hey, look at this one. Hey, mate. Come on.
Getting a good feed? Getting
Hey.
a good feed?
No more, that's it.
Head scratch.
That's it.
Oh, that's
I'll give you a
good.
pat
Oh,
there.
this one's come over now too. I haven't got any food.
There you go. You gotta hop
That
out.
one's so keen.
You gotta hop out though. Come on, you gotta jump out of
He
here.
would too.
Give me that food, I'm so hungry.
You act like you're never fed. The next random spot that we've just found on Wiki Camps today is Bootanal Spring. We have no idea what it's about. It was just a point of interest. It's a little bit of an information map here and a bit of a walk, I think.
Yeah, go have a look and see what it's about. A combination of exclusion, disease, rape, murder, reduced birth rates, forced labour, armed conflicts and tribal killings decimated the indigenous population throughout the later part of the 19th century. That's creepy.
Bit of dark history here. There's all these plaques around the place, so we're going to have a read and see what it is all about.
Bootanal Spring here is pretty significant to the Aboriginals, and it's actually got a heap of history about when the colonies and stuff come over initially. So yeah, if you're cruising through near Geraldton, it's definitely worth a bit of a look at, and yeah, it's just interesting to see.
Look how nice this spring is. It's really pretty. There's heaps of birds and stuff around.
We got time.
Just don't sleep, it's a little bit muddy.
When I stayed home.
The Yamachi say that to throw a handful of sand into the water acknowledges the Bimara and ensures your protection. If you do not respect the presence of Bimara, bad luck will befall you.
Because we are stopped up here and I'm working, and Chelsea's going to be in the van in the mornings, I'm treating her to some TV reception because it's been, what, nearly a year since we put the aerial up?
Yeah, it's at least been like 8 or 9 months. So it's a bit dark out here, isn't it?
Yeah, we just generally don't put the TV aerial up at all.
Yeah, because Bryce can't be bothered. And all we watch is sunrise in the morning or like a morning show or something. So sometimes it's just not really worth it.
Yeah, we've got a Google Chrome. I'll show you one day what it's about. And that just makes our 12-volt TV into a bit of a smart TV.
I've just driven down to one of the foreshore car parks in Geraldton, and this actually links up with a really good track. So some really nice bike tracks, walking tracks along the foreshore here. So I'm gonna go out for a bit of a skate. Thought I'd just give you a little bit of a rundown on what Bryce has actually been doing for work while we've been here. So he's hooking up site accommodation out at a gas plant. Pretty sure it's about 60 k's east of Geraldton. He drives there every day with another guy. Takes him about 45 minutes, I think, to get there and back. And yeah, then he's home every night. So yeah, it's pretty good. So they've been quite big days, about 11 hours, and he is working again this weekend. So I think he'll be doing like 10 days straight or something, so that's fun for him. Well, I am going to leave this video here. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up as usual, and we're going to see you in a couple weeks time. So we usually have been putting out videos every Sunday, but we're not going to put one out next week because Bryce is working again, and I really don't think we're going to have enough content, to be quite honest. So yeah, we'll see you in 2 weeks.